If you're trying to decide between Campaign Monitor and ActiveCampaign based on their segmentation tools, you're in the right place. Because while both offer solid email marketing features, segmentation is where things get interesting. One is better for simple, visually intuitive campaigns, while the other goes much deeper, but that depth comes with a catch. Stick around because, by the end of this video, I'll also share a better alternative that solves the biggest issues of both platforms. First, Campaign Monitor is built for ease of use. Their segmentation works well if you need basic audience filtering, think demographics, past purchases, or engagement history. You can quickly create segments based on these factors, and the visual layout makes it beginner-friendly. But if you need complex automation, dynamic segmentation, or multi-layered conditions, you'll start hitting limitations fast. It's great for simple, targeted campaigns, but if you need deep behavioral-based segmentation, it falls short. Next, ActiveCampaign takes segmentation to another level. You can create highly advanced rules based on user activity, website behavior, tags, and CRM data. It also supports dynamic segmentation, meaning contacts automatically move between segments based on their actions. This is powerful if you run personalized, behavior-driven campaigns. However, with great power comes complexity. The learning curve is steeper, and setting up advanced segments takes time. If you're new to email marketing or want something plug-and-play, it might feel overwhelming. The third thing to consider is automation flexibility. Campaign Monitor lets you build automated workflows, but they're fairly linear. You can send emails based on time delays or basic actions like email opens, but that's about it. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, allows for multi-step, multi-condition automations. You can create paths where users receive different emails based on their interactions. Again, powerful, but only if you're ready to spend time setting it up properly. The final thing is pricing. Campaign Monitor keeps things straightforward. You pay based on the number of subscribers and emails sent. ActiveCampaign, while feature-rich, can get expensive fast, especially if you need its CRM or advanced automation tools. If you don't actually need deep segmentation, you might end up overpaying for features you won't use. So, which is better for segmentation? If you want simplicity and clean audience filtering, Campaign Monitor wins. But if you need serious automation and behavior-based segmentation, ActiveCampaign is the better choice. Just be prepared for the learning curve. That said, after testing these and several other platforms, I found a better alternative that gives you powerful segmentation without the headaches. If you're serious about improving your email marketing, check out the first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.